wanted to try something. A good idea of trying how much memory Windows 7 64-bit needs for to run. So I have a Windows setup with 248 megabytes. We're gonna quickly run this. So overheat started. And the first things first, I'm just gonna go ahead and search performance. Adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. Click on that. Click on advanced. Click on change. First uncheck this select no paging file. Click set. Click on digital. Make sure that that's also set to no paging file. Click OK. OK. And let's start with the first experiment. Let's click on settings, system, and we're gonna change the base memory, which is just the whole memory of the system, to 124 megabytes. This is the minimum of Windows 7 32-bit and half of the minimum of 64-bit Windows 7, because the minimum of Windows 7 64-bit is 2 gigabytes of RAM. So a total now meaning that the machine starts up a little slower than last time. Finally. First, I'm always gonna start up Task Manager at the start, so we start it before Windows 7 runs out of memory and loads up the Performance tab. We're gonna try a couple tasks and we're gonna see that our memory runs out pretty quickly. First, we're gonna start up a Google website. We're gonna start YouTube and Twitch at the same time. Let's open another tab, slip it out, make sure that it actually doesn't unload the tab. Because Google likes to unload tabs if there is low memory. As you can see, our memory is running very low, and we get warning. Yay! Windows is running out of memory. We click OK, and pretty much Google freezes. Google Chrome has stopped working. Google Chrome has stopped working. Close program. Okay, the machine completely froze up. I mean, Task Manager is still running fine, but as you can see, these tasks are completely frozen. Google has completely frozen. Yeah, Google has completely frozen right now. What the? I can't even close it. See if Task Manager can solve the problem. Not bad to go to processes, select 6 Googles, and end each one of these. I'm using enter so I can speed up the process. But as you can see, I completely ended Google. This is like this virus is just pretty much a little website that has 1,000 images on it, coded by me. It's pretty much just like a website that pretty much loads a lot of stuff on it. A lot of empty images, which will fill up the memory pretty fast. See if it loads before the memory goes out and before Google Chrome stops working. And okay, so we're still increasing the memory. You know what, we're gonna load up 2 of these because I like to destroy the computers. Just load Google Chrome.exe application error. Nothing. I think I destroyed Windows 6 and Windows 7. I think I destroyed it. So I would not recommend, because it is just image source equals null. Pretty much that loads a empty image, but it still consumes the memory like hell on Google. And pretty much I actually copied this 16,000 times, so this loads 16,000 these icons. I can try like I can actually put some MP4 files on the web and then create an HTML file out of that. Now we get this kind of weird pop-up that one of the files, one of the pages are unresponsive. I think this one is. So we're gonna exit the pages. So trying to run Chrome on a 1 gigabyte machine, you rather buy more memory, otherwise you get a ton of empty errors, a ton of Google Chrome has stopped working and stuff like this. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Now, YouTube actually works fine. If you only use one tab, if you close all other ones, you can actually get good performance. Check YouTube TV. Gotta try one of these. You can see the fonts don't load. Oh, okay, now it's loading. And there we go, we got the same error. Yeah, so it's actually kinda hard to use Chrome. But if I would use Edge, it would probably be different a bit. So you can see if I close Chrome, you can see the spike over here. So we're gonna shut it down and we're gonna try 512 megabytes. As you can see, we have the same base memory thing. So I'm gonna change it to 512 megabytes. Now we cannot go below this, otherwise the system will not load at all. Will blue screen to start up. Since this is the lowest I could get before recording the video. And this was the time when I got an error each time I tried to even run the performance and appearance settings menu. This pretty much just didn't load anything. So let's see. Okay, it starts up pretty quickly. Okay, machine has started up. Let's quickly open Task Manager report. As you can see, the memory is gonna go higher and higher. And you're gonna get immediately this error. It will error with this error. And one more thing is this is like a test application. This is just a small application, and if you double click it, this happens. Wait, let's run it. Okay, this is not implemented in the app. It just show a little. I'm gonna try to. Oh wait, I didn't enable drag and drop. Oh my god. Let's do bidirectional, and over here I'm gonna show you it. That is totally just a normal app, and it's not like that. So if I execute it, this is how it should look like. Yeah, this is just an app, and yeah, tam masz JavaScript YouTube video downloader. This is an app I created, but it looks like when you have 512 megabytes of RAM, whatever the hell, the cursor is also kind of glitching out. As you can see, this time it didn't even start up. Oh wait, so you cannot run anything, even Chrome, just pretty much freezes completely at startup, and it doesn't throw any errors. Yeah, nothing will work on your computer now, except if you run it quickly after startup, where it's before it loads all the files. Well, like I did with the task manager, quickly just started up on startup. So yeah, memory is pretty much just all on the top. 502 out of 511 megabytes. Apparently limited. So yeah, that's it for this computer. So I shut it down. Now, I actually experienced a little mistake in shutting down, where I actually showed a black screen instead of the image. If it shuts down, I need to close ops. It doesn't even want to shut down. I think there's too low memory. Wait, I tracked down a song. That's glitched, okay. I'll end some applications. Yeah, look at this. This even happens whenever the task manager sometimes start. Oh, there we go. Actually, this doesn't happen this time. But pretty much, it was just saying shutting down the center of the screen. Down there was saying Windows 7. Let's try it running with 256 megabytes. It's like a bonus I'm gonna do. Run 100 run it with the minimum possible. Let's quickly see.